Good morning. Am I audible to you? Hello. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
The last question was related to division and to check whether the given divisor is a factor, we have to get the reminder as 0. Hope you have done this question. Did you get reminder as 0? You want me to divide this and show?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
No one tried this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I haven't tried.
Okay. The difficulty is the power is 5. So we have to think in terms of exponents.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Such a lengthier expression. What to be multiplied so that we get x to the power 5?
2x
Here,
cubed.
cube has to be multiplied. So,
2x.
law of exponent is used here. When x square is multiplied with x cube, we will be getting x to the power of 2 plus 3, which becomes x to the power of 5. So 2 times of x cube you multiply, then we get 6x to the power 5 plus here to the power 4 term will be missing. Then you have to continue here 10x cube. Now we shall change the sign. This will get cancelled. This term will remain as it is 15x to the power 4. Now 16 minus 10 will be positive 6 x cube plus 4x square plus 10x minus 35. Now what to multiply? We need to multiply 5 so
5.
that 15 is obtained.
Square.
So positive 5 along with that x square. So it becomes 15 x to the power 4. When you multiply this 5x square with 5, we won't get a cube term. So this will be empty. Then 25x square. Once again, let's change the sign. Subtract it. This term get cancels. 6x cube is written as it is. Now positive 4 negative 25 will be negative 21 minus 21x square plus 10x minus 35. Now we need to consider plus 2 times
2x.
of x. It becomes 6x cube. Then x square term will be missing. Then plus 10 times of x. Now let's change the sign. This get cancels. We'll be having negative 21x square. This term also get cancels minus 35. If we are multiplying with -7, we will be getting -21 square minus 35. Now if you change the sign, they get cancelled. This will be the quotient and the remainder will be 0 here. Therefore, we can say that 3x square 5 is factor. You have understood the method now? It's easy. It's a normal division,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
but it is little difficult to divide when linear expression is there. These are the places you should be really taking care of, because we won't get a to the power 4 term directly in this step. Here x cube term is not there, here x square term is not there. So you should be careful there.
Sir, in that term, what we should write, sir?
You can write 0, or if you don't write anything, it's okay.
Yes.
Moving further, what should be subtracted from a given expression so that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by 4x square plus 3x minus 2. This is like what should be subtracted from 15 so that it is exactly divisible by 7, something like this.
Sir, like reminder, sir.
Yes, reminder whatever we get, that has to be subtracted from the given dividend. So same
Yes, sir.
procedure we follow. We have to have a long division here. Whatever the remainder we get, that has to be subtracted. So here 4x square plus 3x minus 2 is the divisor. We need to divide 8x to the power 4 plus 14x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 8. Now if you consider 2 here, we get 8. To get x to the power 4, we need to consider x square. It becomes 8x to the power 4. Now 2x square multiplied to 3x, we get a cube term. So we can mention here 6 times of x cube. Minus 2 multiplied to 2x square will be negative 4x square. Let's again change the sign.
Sir, we should just subtract the remainder, no, sir, in this question.
We should just subtract, but what to subtract? How
The
to find
remainder.
that? We have to find the remainder.
Okay, sir.
To find the remainder, this is the method which is known to us at present.
Yes, sir.
We get 8x cube. Here, what will be the result? Negative or positive?
Negative 2 square, sir.
Positive.
Positive 2x
Positive
square, sir.
2x square plus 7x minus 8.
So again we should multiply by 2x square, sir. No, sir, 2x, sir.
2x. So 8x cube plus 6 times of x square minus 4 times of x. The first term get cancels. Here the result is negative 4. Negative 4x square. Both are positive, so positive 11x minus 8. Now if you observe, these terms are same. So we can multiply negative 1 so that minus 4x square is obtained. Again minus 3x plus 2. Change the sign. This get cancelled. Here we have 14x minus 10. Now we are having this remainder. Therefore, 14x minus 10 to be subtracted from 8x to the power 4 plus 14x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 8. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This
Sir,
is
I
the
have one
method.
question, sir.
Yes, Ajay.
Here, if the divisor number of terms in divisor is greater than the number of terms in remainder, then we can't further divide. See?
See, always remember the division is continued. Division is continued when the divisor's degree less than dividend's degree. Here we are dividing, so because here the degree is 4, for this degree is 2. When degree of the divisor is less than the degree of the dividend, we can continue division. Here we are stopping. At this stage, we are stopping because the degree is 1. Here the divisor's degree is 2. This cannot be divided. When the degree of the dividend is less than the degree of the divisor, division is not possible. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Probably next question is on the similar lines. No, it's not on the similar lines. What is this question? They have given an expression and is divisible by x square plus 1. What's the value of a and b they're asking? The meaning of divisible by a number or divisible by some expression, the meaning is it is completely divisible. It means that the remainder, whatever we obtain, will be 0. Here when we continue division, the remainder becomes 0. So let's divide and check it. Suppose if I am taking the divisor as x square plus 1 and I keep dividing the given polynomial or algebraic expression x to the power 4 plus x cube plus 8x square plus ax plus b. Let's divide.
X cubes we can take.
We have to multiply x square,
X square,
sir.
X square.
So we get x to the power 4 plus here
X
what to be written?
0, sir.
that to leave
0
Plus
plus
x square.
x square. So minus in all the things, it cancels. X cube minus 0 is just x cube. From 8, if you are subtracting 1, we will be getting 7. So 7x square plus ax plus b. Now we'll multiply with x so that we get x cube plus here again I'll write 0 plus x, change
Sir,
the
here
sign. I have changed the sign. This is cancelled. 7 minus 0 is just 7, so 7x square.
Yes, sir.
Here you observe what to do at this place. Here we have positive a, here we have negative 1. If nothing is there, it means that it is 1. What to do there?
value is equal to 1, sir.
We have to write this as plus a minus 1 into x plus p. Understood?
Why, sir? Why should
Here,
write that?
here, if nothing is there, it means 1 is there.
Yes, sir.
So a minus 1 into x plus b.
Yes, sir.
Now you observe x square has got coefficient as 7. So let's take 7 here. We get 7x square. When 7 is multiplied with 1, we will be getting 7. So x term won't be there. So I'll write this as 0 plus 7. Let's change the sign. This get cancels. From a minus 1, if 0 is removed, we'll be getting a minus 1 only. So a minus 1 into x plus b minus 7. Can we continue division? Here
No,
you observe the degree. Degree is 1 here. The
Yes, sir.
divisors degree is 2. So we have to stop at this place.
Yes, sir.
So the remainder obtained is nothing but a minus 1
Sir, how
into
will we
x
find that
plus b
b
minus
is a
7.
constant, sir?
So should we equate?
What to equate here? We have to equate it with 0x
0.
plus 0, which is a minus 1 into x plus b minus 7. It means that a minus 1 can be 0, so a can be equal to 1. B minus 7 is equal to 0, which means that b is equal to 7. So a and b values are found here.
Sir, why did you take 0x plus 0 is equal to a?
Yes, sir.
For your understanding, I have written it like that in this way. Remainder is 0. Why remainder is 0? Because it is exactly divisible.
Yes, sir.
0, I can write it as 0x plus 0. I can write like that so that you understand there is an expression here, linear expression is there. One to one comparison becomes easy. So
This is
a
very
minus 1 is 0, b
Yes.
minus 7 is 0.
yes,
To
sir.
get one to one comparison, I have written in this fashion. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it very difficult? For 8th
Sir, I
class,
did not
actually it
understood
is
this.
difficult. For 8th class, it is difficult.
Yes, sir.
For ninth class, this is easy question. This is a easy question in class 9th, but difficult question in class 8th.
Sir, we have to be careful at every step, sir, here.
Yes, sir, you should be very careful at every step. The thing is that here there is no x cube term. There I have replaced 0. Here there is no x square term. Here there is no x term. So when we are doing subtraction, these are the places you get confused. This is the place you'll get confused. A minus 1 into x to be written. This is the place. And here again you'll get confused. These are the constant terms. B minus 7. B minus 7 is written. So one of the question which is slightly difficult. For ninth class it is easy. Slightly you have understood something, right?
Yes, sir, we understood, sir.
Sir, we understood, sir.
Understood.
Sir,
Bit easy,
I
sir.
understood this division, sir, but I did not understood this afterwards. You did not, sir. 0x plus 0 and
There is a
Did you
common.
understand that remainder is 0? Did you understand this term
yes, sir.
remainder 0?
Yes,
Why remainder is 0, Uday?
sir.
Sir, in
Yes.
question itself they gave, sir, it is divisible by x square plus 1.
In the question only they have given that it is divisible by x square plus 1. It means remainder is 0. So
Yes,
when
sir.
remainder is 0, I can write this as 0x plus 0. It's my convenience to write in this way so that I do one-to-one comparison. I can take the coefficient of x and equate it a minus 1 equal to 0. Then the constant is equal to 0. So we
B
get
minus 7 is
value
0.
of a and value of b. I know you
Yes, sir.
are feeling difficult to understand this, but this is the method, sir. Slightly others have understood.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very
Understood,
good.
sir.
Yes, sir.
They have given another question here that we have to divide one expression by the other and we have to write down the coefficient of the terms in the quotient.
Sir, shall we do this, sir? On our
Yes,
own.
sir. Yes, sir. Please try this. Here again, I remind you that there is a fraction 10 by 3 is there. So you should be careful while taking what quotient to be considered to obtain this 10 by 3. Will you try this?
Yes, sir, here only we'll try,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, yeah. You keep trying now.
Class only.
Simultaneously,
Yes.
I'll solve. Then we will discuss. Don't try to see whatever I have written and copy it. Don't do that.
No. Yes.
Sir, here in the dividend, should we rearrange, sir? Because 10 by 3x and minus 9x square is there, no, sir? We should rearrange to higher degree, no,
Yeah,
sir?
you can rearrange and you can continue because there is a square term before to the power 1. So you can rearrange and do it.
Okay, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
First ba.
Uday, did you get the answer?
Sir, after coming minus 2 by 27, what we have to do?
Minus
sir.
2 by 27 is not having any variable, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
we have to stop our division here. So this becomes the remainder. Remainder we are obtaining.
Yes, sir.
Remainder is not 0.
Sir, I didn't understand how you took the questions.
You did not understand how I have taken the question.
Quotient, sir.
Quotient.
Yes, sir.
This
I
is the
express
quotient. Out of these terms on the quotient, did you get 5x cube?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you
Did
got
you
sir.
get 26 by 3x square?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for some, okay, they have done. Did you get this 25 by 9?
Sir, how should we know what will the quotient be?
Yes,
Divide, we
very,
should
very
divide it,
difficult
sir.
Divide,
thing.
sir. We have to divide, then we'll get.
Let
Yes,
me
sir.
tell step by step. How did I get this 5x cube? It is because 15x to the power 4, when I divide it by 3x, I'll be getting 5x cube. You will agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, very good. Now coming to the second. Here in this step, we are having 26 x cube. Then I have to divide by 3x. So I will be getting 26 by 3 x square. So I have
Yes, sir.
written here 26
Yes,
by
sir.
3 x square. So no doubt there.
No, sir.
But in the question, x square term is written after x term. So here there is x square term. Here is x square term. So when we simplify this, we will be getting 25 by 3 x square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you
Yes.
get this 25 by 3 x square?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. If your addition is correct, if minus 9 is added to minus 52 by 3, we will be getting 25 by 3 x square.
X
This
square.
25 by 3 x square is the term, and I will divide by 3x. So one of the x get cancelled. Here it is 25 by 3 into 1 by 3,
1 by
which
3.
is 25 by 9.
9.
Here one of the x is remaining, 25 by 9x. This is how I got 25 by 9x. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, in the last step, if you observe, we are having 80 by 9x. This has to be divided by 3x. X and x will get cancelled. So 80 by 9 multiplied to 1 by 3
1 by
is
3.
80 by 27.
27.
80 by 27 is obtained. I said in the beginning only, when there is a fraction it becomes little difficult, because addition of fraction we have to take the LCM properly.
So I
127 is
got
multiplied to 6
25 by 9x. 25 by 9x. After that, I got confused, sir.
125 by
Yes.
9x.
9x
Yes,
after
sir.
the
As quotient.
Okay. Here till here you have got it correct.
Yes, sir.
The thing is here both are positive. So addition has to be done. 10
Yes,
by
sir.
3, 50 by 9. LCM is 9. If
9.
9 is the LCM, 30 to be added
30
to
by
50.
9.
30 plus 50 divided by 9. 30
Yes,
plus
sir.
50 is 80. 80 by 9 we get. I know it is little difficult.
Sir, here
What you can do is, you can note down this quotient. Try to obtain this quotient.
Sir, what
Try
you have
to
written
obtain the
after
quotient.
80 by 9x minus 6 is not clear.
This one,
Yes, sir.
actually, I should write it below 80 by 9x minus, this is 160 by 27. It should be one below the other. So I have written it here 160 by 27 minus 6. This is the final calculation. When we do that, we get minus 2 by 27 as a reminder. Here the space was not sufficient, so I have written it like that. Shall I write it once again for you? One more time I'll write everything, all the steps. Shall I?
Sir, here
Yes,
you'll
sir.
multiply 6 with 27 and you'll do subtraction of 160 minus 162 by 27.
Let us solve it again so that you will all understand it. So with the explanation I'll be telling. Now I know that space won't be sufficient, so I will try to minimize writing.
Sir, you can use a new page, sir.
Sir, still question is not over, sir. They told write down the coefficients of the terms in the question.
Okay, sir. Once the quotient is obtained, it is very easy to write the coefficient, no?
Coefficient. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So main thing is to obtain the quotient. Here 3x minus 2 is a divisor. We have to divide this 15x to the power 4 plus 16x cube plus 10 by 3x. Shall I rearrange the term? Shall I write x square term before?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here it is minus 9x square term. Then there is plus 10 by 3x minus 6.
Minus
All
6.
right. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now to obtain 15x to the power 4, I have to multiply 5x cube.
5x cube.
So 15x to the power 4 is obtained minus 10 times of x cube is obtained. So let's change the sign. This term will get cancelled. This term. So 16 plus 10 is 26.
26.
26x cube minus 9x square plus 10 upon 3x minus 6. Now we have 26x cube. Here we have 3x. So when 26x cube is divided by 3x, x will get cancelled. Here square will remain. So 26x square by 3 remains. So we have to take here plus 26 by 3 x square. All have understood this step?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
26x cube is obtained. Now minus 2 multiply with 26. It will be minus 52 upon 3 x square. Now I am changing the sign. This get cancelled. Here you observe there is minus 9 and positive 52 by 3. So it is positive 52 by 3 minus 9. This to be simplified. LCM is 3. 52 minus 3 9 times is
27.
27. 52 minus 27 is 25. So 25 by 3 is obtained here. So 25 by 3 x square is obtained plus 10 by 3x minus 6. Now we have coefficient of x square as 25 by 3, the coefficient of x as 3. So this 25 by 3 divided by 3, we get 25 by 9. So positive 25 by 9x to be multiplied. We get 25 by 3x square. Now 2 multiplied to this will be negative 50 upon 9 x. Now let's change the sign. This get cancels. So what remains? Let me write it separately here, this side.
So 80 by 9x minus 6 will be remainders.
So here when you simplify this 10 by 3 plus 50 by 9,
80 by
you will be
9.
getting
80
80 upon 9.
Yes,
So
sir.
the thing is 80 upon 9x
X minus 6.
minus 6. Now you observe 80 by 9 to be obtained from this 3x. So you
80 by
multiply
27x to be multiplied, sir.
80 by 27. X you should not write. It's only 80 by 27.
80 by 9. Yes, sir.
So we get 80 by 9x. Now there is minus 160 upon 27. Now let's change the sign. This again get cancels. This is only the numbers we have to simplify. It's nothing but 160 by 27 minus 6. If you take the LCM, it is 27. This will be 160 minus 27 times of 6 is 162. So negative 2 by
Minus
27 is the
2 by
remainder.
27
So the
minus 2
remainder obtained is negative 2
minus
by
2 by
27.
minus 2 by 27, sir.
Now, according to the question, we have to write the coefficients. The coefficient of x cube is 5. The coefficient of x square is 26 by 3. The
26
coefficient
by
of
3,
x is 25 by 9.
9.
This term I am not highlighting it. The reason
Because
is it is
variables are the
constant
variable.
term. They asked
Yes,
only
yes.
the coefficients, so I have highlighted only the coefficients. Now you have understood it slightly better.
yes
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
Understood, sir.
Understood fully sir.
Very good. Very
Understood
good,
fully,
sir.
sir.
Now tell me or give idea how to solve this. Find the value of a if x plus 2 is a factor.
Sir, we should perform division and
Remainder should be
Yes sir.
0.
Sir, shall we solve?
Perform division, long division, remainder we get.
Yes sir.
So remainder
now
equal
Sir,
to
shall we
0 you
solve sir?
replace. Yes, sir. Try it out. Again, I'll tell you, if division goes wrong, you will get a wrong answer. So everything depends on how you divide here. Whether it is long division or wrong division is left to you. If I am not wrong, you will be getting the answer as 4.
sir here when we are performing division, sir, minus 20 will become plus 20. No?
Yes, sir. It will become plus
Yes, sir.
20.
Oh, correct.
Yes, sir. Answer will be minus 4.
So here we have minus 4.
Minus 4.
Sir, remainder is 5a plus 20, sir.
5a plus 20, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, very good. Good
We
observation.
have got the same answer sir.
Minus 4 only.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. So we shall continue in the third period. The remaining few questions are there, slightly
Yes sir.
difficult ones. Okay, sir. We shall meet
Okay,
in the
sir.
third
Thank you,
period.
sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.